A few months ago, I built this backyard playhouse for my kids, and today I'm showing you exactly how to build one yourself. But if you want it to last for decades, it all starts with one thing, and that's the foundation. So let's get to work. This is day one of the playhouse build, and today we're gonna dig the holes for the footers for this playhouse. And if you're wondering who I'm building this playhouse for, it's for these two right here. When it comes for the footers for the playhouse, a lot of people don't tend to do this, but in my case, I want to overbuild instead of underbuild. So I'm gonna make footers that are 12 inches in width and it'll be 24 inches deep in the ground. And I need to dig 4 of them in each corner of this template that I made. So let's do that. Now this template is the exact width and length that I want this playhouse to be. So I gotta mark precisely where these corners are, and that's gonna be where my footers are. So in order to do that, I'm gonna use some paint. Some of you may be wondering too what these flags are doing up here. This is just a reference point so I know where to line this template up after I move it. So let's get to digging. We're about halfway there. It's been 14 minutes. I'll tell you one thing, this is a pretty nice day to be digging. Just a hair more. We're at 20 inches. I'm gonna call that good because this soil is rock solid. Let's go do 3 more. Also, comment down below if you think an auger would have been faster and been able to get through the soil, because I don't know if it would have been. Before any of you say I should have had an auger attachment for my tractor, it'd be like $1,000 to buy one. And I'm not dropping that kind of money to do 4 holes. 20 inches, call this one good. This hole is a little easier than the other 2. Just had some lunch, my belly's nice and full, so let's keep digging. All right, that one's at 22, so that's pretty good. 1 more hole. "20 inches. Now let's put my frame back and see if I kept it square. And just like that, we got 4 holes dug out. So now let's move on to the next day. And real quick, if you're wondering how long this took me, it took me about 3 hours to dig these holes. It's day 2 of this project and it's a few days later. So now let's pour our concrete footers for the playhouse. The first step we need to do now is put stakes in the ground and line to mark exactly where we need to put our footers. Dirt falling on me. So now the fun begins of mixing up the concrete. And in order to do this, you obviously need your bags of concrete. You'll need buckets to mix the concrete in, or you could do it in a wheelbarrow or any other thing that holds concrete and water, a mixer, and your hose. So let's get to mixing. A little more water in there. Oh, bucket blew out. Well, this bucket blew out, so it's trash. And now just keep mixing, filling the hole till it's full. Let's move on to the next hole. So it's been about 15 minutes now. We're back at the first one we did. Let's see if we can set the post holder in it. That's looking really level, and we're looking square with our lines. So this one's good. So we're gonna let the other one set for about 15 minutes while I fill the other hole. Whoever does this all day and every day, you should be paid more. Now, let's fill the last one up and we'll be done. And just like that, we got our 4 footers placed and we're ready to start building the playhouse. But first, we gotta wait a few days for this concrete to cure, and then we'll get to it. If you like this video and want to learn how to build a playhouse like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up. I will have links down in the description of all the tools and material that I used to get this project done. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in part 2.